Hello, 大家好, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to clear up one of the most confusing word pairs for Chinese learners. I saw one of my followers left question about these three words in my comment section, so I made this special video to fully explain them to you. If you have any Chinese learning puzzles you want to solve, feel free to leave them down below in the comments too. These three words, 最后,终于,到底, all translate to finally or in the end in English. But in Chinese, you can't swap them freely. If you mix them up, your sentences will sound very strange to native ears. So in today's lesson, I will teach you their exact different meanings, different emotions, and different usage rules. After this video, you will never confuse them again. Let's start. We will start with the word 最后. 最后 simply means the final step or the final result of a sequence. It's a neutral time result. No emotion, no difficulty, no frustration. It is purely objective and factual. We use it when we talk about steps, sequences, lists, or the outcomes of events. Don't worry, I will give you some examples now. 我早上洗漱吃饭最后出门上班 In the morning, I wash up, eat breakfast, and then head out for work. 我们玩了游戏看了电影最后回家了 We played games, watched a movie, and went home at last. These are just normal daily sequences. There is no difficulty, no waiting, no struggle. We only describe the last step of series of actions. Now repeat after me. 我早上洗漱吃饭最后出门上班 我们玩了游戏看了电影最后回家了 A quick summary for 最后. It only shows time order, the last step, with zero feelings. Used for routine, process, list. Let's move on to the next word. 终于. 终于 means finally, after efforts, struggle, waiting, or a long time. It always carries relief emotions. It took so long, but it happened at last. You cannot use 终于 for normal, simple routines. Examples. 我等了2个小时公交车终于来了 I waited 2 hours and the bus finally came. 我学了很久中文终于进步了 I've studied Chinese for a long time, and now I finally made progress. Both sentences describe situations with long waiting or hard efforts. So we feel relieved after things work out. Wrong example here. 我早上洗漱吃饭终于出门 No, wrong. Because washing up, having breakfast, and going to work is a normal daily routine, with no struggle or long waiting. Repeat after me. 我等了2个小时，公交车终于来了。我学了很久中文。终于进步了 A quick summary for 终于. It carries emotions like relief, difficulty, or long waiting. It means it was hard, but it finally happened. and you cannot use it for simple daily steps. Okay, now the last word. 到底. 到底 is for only questions with strong emotions. It adds speaker's emotion. On earth, exactly, I really want to know. It shows confusion, curiosity, surprise, or slight impatience. Examples. 你到底去哪里了? Where on earth did you go? 这个单词到底是什么意思? What exactly does this word mean? 你到底想不想学中文? Do you actually want to learn Chinese or not? We only add 到底 inside questions to strengthen our curiosity or slight frustration. Key point. 到底 cannot be used in declarative sentences. You cannot say 我到底写完作业了. Wrong. Repeat after me. 你到底去哪里了? 这个单词到底是什么意思? 你到底想不想学中文? Now a quick summary for 到底. It can only be used in questions. It adds emotions of exactly, on earth, to express curiosities or frustration. That is the exact usage of these three words. Now let's summarize their huge differences in one sentence. 最后 is neutral, objective, the last step of a sequence. 终于 positive relief. Finally, after long waiting or difficulty. For statement sentences only. 到底 emotional emphasis means exactly, on earth, for questions only. Now let's do a small quiz to test what we have learned today. Choose the correct word for the below sentences. 我写了3个小时作业。写完了。我们买菜、做饭、一起吃饭。你什么时候来？雨下了一整天，晚上停了。我们逛超市，买水果，回家。Today we mastered 3 easily confused finally words in Chinese. Leave all your quiz answers in the comment sections below. I will check every single one for you. Then that's all for today's video. 最后, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!